you. Oh man, look at this. I got 3 boxes from Amazon. I'm always ordering stuff and forgetting that I ordered it. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. They all different sizes, just like the 3 bears. All different sizes. Let me see what we got up in here. This little box. I know the other day I was thinking I needed some snacks and things like that. I should be in the kitchen, but oh, this is Chef Renee, the personal chef, and baking and cooking is my thing. That's what I do. That's what I like to do. Okay, box number 1. We have dark chocolate nuts and sea salt. This is a Kirkland product, kind. No, I see these at the grocery stores all the time. So I was thinking it was Kirkland, but I see these at the grocery store all the time. These are very good, but this is not something you just want to be eating all the time. It's low in sugar, higher in calories, and it's higher in fat. So this ain't nothing you want to be eating all the time. And when you eat stuff like this, even though we like the night snack, it's really best to eat this stuff in the daytime. Because when you eat it in the daytime, you're still running around, you're still doing things, and you're burning calories. So that's what you want to do. Daytime. And I have my women's probiotic. This is for take 2 tablets once daily with water or juice after a meal. This is for gut health. It's supposed to do something up in here. I still don't know what it's doing. But that's the women's probiotic. Okay, here's another box. Let me see. This is a medium-sized box. It's kind of heavy. So let me see, because I have some stuff just on like reorder, but I'm getting ready to stop that automatic reorder, because when you do that, you have a lot of stuff coming and you haven't used the last stuff that you got 2-3 months ago. You still haven't used that. So let's see what this is. Ooh, okay. My doctor said I need to start taking calcium. So this is my calcium. It's enough in here for 1 month. This is just a 1 month supply. And I don't think they were very expensive. It's Nature's Bounty. This is a calcium. Okay. I don't think they were very expensive. And this is my Malay. This is a curl smoothie for my hair. It's called My Ellie. That's what it's called. It's called My Ellie. Curl smoothie. And then you have another My Ellie product. This is a leave-in conditioner. If you have super dry hair like me, super dry hair, this is good. This is really good. Even with the super dry hair, like yesterday I washed my hair, and then after it dried for a little bit, I let it naturally air dry, and then I twisted it up, and then I took it down this morning. I didn't put any, I don't have any product on this hair. This is me. This is all me right here. I cut this hair last year because I had surgery on this arm, and I couldn't get my arms up to, twist my hair, so I just cut it all off. And I've cut it like maybe 3 times in the past 2024, 2025, but I'm letting it grow out. And you see I have it packed down, but this is my hair length right here. This is what it looks like, if I let it all come down, and then on the sides and stuff, because it's shorter. It's longer in the top and shorter in the back. So yeah, so then I got this Adore. Okay, the ruby red. This is Adore. This is a semi-permanent color, and this works really good, and especially if you have gray hair. If your hair is gray and you don't want to put like a permanent dye in your hair, use this Adore semi-permanent color. It works beautiful on gray hair. This hair is probably, especially up in here, this hair is probably snow white. I could have played in that movie that just came out, Snow White. But yeah, this is called Adore. This is a really good product. This is the best one I found so far for semi-permanent hair color. And then you got the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioning. So like for hair like this, like at the end of the day, because I'm gonna twist it up again tonight. So at the end of the day, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the curl smoothie on it, and I'm gonna spray my hair with this, and I'm just gonna twist it up. And then tomorrow, because I got a long day tomorrow, get up in the morning, take it down, do what I do, get the rat tail comb, use your fingers and stuff, and then we good to go. Oh, this is my permanent color. It's by Wella, and I order one of these, I think every 3 months. And this is the one I use. This is a really good color if you want red hair. This color right here is this color right here. It's the same, but it's time to dye my hair again, but I don't want to do the dye in my hair until I'm getting close to surgery. So about 2 weeks before surgery, that's when I'm gonna do the hair. But yeah, I'm getting close to surgery. And then I have these little lip glosses, because I'm always seem to be running out of lip gloss. All this is Amazon stuff. This is called Lifter, and they come in all different colors, and they're just so nice. All this is from Amazon. Mascara, eyeliner. I hate running out of products. Mascara, eyeliner, but like I said, I think it's time for me to cancel all the subscriptions, use what I have, get it down to one, and then start the reorder process again. Because this stuff is coming to me like every month. I'm getting something. Okay, now we got a big box out here, and I can't even lift this box. I know I ordered some snacks the other day, so let's see what kind of snacks we got up in here. Ooh, Lord. What is all this? Okay. What is this? I'm gonna open this in a minute. I'm gonna get to the good stuff. I think this is potato chips. Yep, Frito-Lay. Let's see what kind of chips they sent me. And I think I paid like $19, $20 for this. Because this is all I need, is something small. I don't need to buy no big bags of chips. If I'm having a sandwich or something, like you fix for your kids' school lunches, this is it. We got this. We got the mesquite barbecue. I love kettle cooked. This is my favorite. The jalapeno kettle cooked. Okay. The regular kettle cook, because there's 4 different types in here. I'm trying to get to the last one. I don't see it. Maybe it's just 3 different types in here. So I got a bunch of jalapenos. Or maybe it's just 3 different types, and I'm thinking it's 4. But yeah, when you got this, you know you're just gonna eat one. It's called portion control. Just eat one. Don't try to eat 3 or 4. Just eat one. Portion control. Frito-Lay, kettle cook, Amazon. And it's 40. See that? It's 40 in this box. Put this down here. And then we got, oh my goodness. I ordered some, oh, I know what's in there. I ordered some popcorn. Orville Rettenbachers popcorn. Now everybody wants to put the popcorn in the microwave, and that's cool, microwavable popcorn. But I bought a popcorn machine about 2 years ago. It's still brand new. Just took it out the box recently, and I don't have no no popcorn. But I got some now. I got this Orville Redenbacher popcorn. And we got some sodas a set. This is sea salt flakes. Now, if you're a baker, say you're baking brownies, chocolate fudge brownies, and before you put them in the oven, you got everything ready to go, and you get ready to bake, and before you put them in the oven, just sprinkle a little bit of this on there. What it does, it enhances the flavor. It enhances the flavor. If you're cooking any type of, I'm going to say any type of cookies or fudge, you want to put a little bit of this sea salt on there so it can enhance the flavor. You want to use the regular sea salt. Now, one of these is a lemon, one is a smoked oak. This is the regular sea salt, and this one is garlic sea salt. So, but these are flakes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find out, I know how to use them for baking, but I need to find out how to really use them for cooking in the cooking process to enhance the flavor. And you get 4, and I think this was under $20 for these 4 right here. Okay, let me find my, oh, here we go. I dropped my cutter. I got something else in here that's heavy. This box is heavy. Let's see what's in here, because I don't, like I said, I don't even remember what I ordered. It's a heavy box. Oh, my sister ordered this, and I said I was going to order me one. This is called Premium Natural Avocado Oil. And when I tell you this is heavy, this is heavy. I think this costs over $40. Yeah, it wasn't 50, but may as well have been 50. But this was over $40 for this avocado oil. And my sister said you use it in everything, and this is first cold pressed, and you always want to try to get you a good oil. And this is also good for frying, because you need a good oil for high temperature frying. And if you're at home, the avocado oil is a good oil for high temperature frying. And I heard it's also a good oil for baking. And since I am a baker too, and I love to bake, and I bake with a lot of oil and stuff, I'm gonna try this and see how this works. In my next batch of cookies, or if I make a cake, because I'm thinking about doing a lemon cake or a crack cake. And if I make one of those cakes, use this. I think that's it in the boxes. Now we're gonna open up, this is the last box right here. We're gonna get this open. And since I got popcorn, what I said the other day, I said I'm gonna buy me some popcorn. And I said, and I want the whole popcorn experience. So when you want the whole experience, what you do is you get you some popcorn bags. Now this is fun. You sit them, instead of digging in a bowl, everybody got their hands in the same bowl or whatever. Give them a bag. Get their hands out your bowl. Give them a bag. These are nice. Make you feel like you're at the movies or something. Yeah, these are really nice. I'm gonna open this up because I just want to look at it. But yeah, I got my potato chips, my popcorn, my protein bars, my hair stuff, my probiotics, my sea salt. And you know, this little popcorn thing, it makes a lot of popcorn. This Orville Redenbacher makes a lot. So here we go. So you just this makes it fun. But I think the next time, because I know they have some permanent popcorn containers similar to this, but they can sit down on the counter, sit on the counter and everything. And all you do when you're done with it is wash it, put it up, for the next movie night or next time you're having popcorn. But I wanted to try this, and you get 100 of these. This is Amazon. You get 100, and it's less than $6. It's under $6 for 100. So get your kids some of these. And that's it, you guys, on my unboxing of my Amazon stuff. So I gotta have my snacks. I gotta have my protein bars. And I need stuff for baking to make the baking nice. I gotta have my hair products. Because like I said, there's nothing in my hair. My hair is completely dry. But because I twisted it up last night, I didn't have to worry about the matting effect. Because everything got twisted up. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. And if you are not on my channel, it's free. Subscribe. Subscribe, comment, like, share. Because this is Chef Renee. Cooking is my thing. Baking is my thing. And that's what I do. I also like to travel. I like to vlog. I like to fix my house up the best I can. And I like to meet new people. I love meeting new people. I love watching other people's channels. As a matter of fact, I watched the channel last night. I was up at 4 o'clock this morning. And I was watching this lady. She kept popping up, so I turned to her channel. And she has gray hair. She wears this gray weave or something in her hair. It is bad. When I tell you it's funky, fresh, bad, this lady's hair is tough. It's really, really sharp. And she wears this weave, and she does DIYs, do-it-yourself stuff. And she's in North Carolina. She came from Vegas, and she's in North Carolina. I don't remember her name, but I watched about 3 of her videos last night. I didn't go back to bed until around 6 o'clock this morning, so I was watching her videos, and she is good. She fixes up tiny spaces, she said, because she's always lived in tiny spaces, and it's her and her grandson. And she really fixed that house up beautiful. She fixed that backyard up beautiful. But I also like to do DIY projects, but I've never, ever done anything on the level of her. She top notch. She high level. When I tell you she high level, this lady is high level. So if you want to be high level, look for that lady with that gray hair. Type in DIYs North Carolina, because that's where she's at, and she doing her thing. And she also helps people. She said if you need help with a project, she said get in contact with her, because that's her business. That's what she does. She sews, she does the DIY projects, and she doesn't spend a lot of money on the projects, and she makes everything just look so, so beautiful. Okay? So my next DIY project is my porch. All this out here is my porch. And even though my house is a certain color, I may even do like an accent wall out here. Just to make it pretty, just to make it different, because I don't want to be like everybody else. I want to be different. I don't want to be like everybody else. Even with my cooking, I watch Jeannie Young. I watch a lot of cooking people. I watch B-Love. I watch Dodash. I watch Dante London. I watch Life with Lacey B. And I watch, I can't think of her name, but she's down in Florida. And I'm not talking about, what's her name, McIntyre or something. I'm not talking about her, but I do watch her too. But it's a young lady. She's real young, and she has a really good channel. And I watch her too. So I'm gonna get off of here. I'm done for the day. Thank you. And don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, everybody, and thank you again.